Hey everybody, this is Troy Trelevin from Make Sales Faster, and today I'm going to tell you about a product that is capturing the latest digital trend called NFTs. That's mid-2021, and if you haven't heard of NFTs, probably normal, but they have been growing in popularity for probably the last year, 2 years at the very longest, but still early on. And I'm going to tell you about a product that will allow you to capture the all the excitement around these, and you can start profiting early on. It's always nice to get in on something early, and these definitely have that the cachet, that ability to continue to be valuable and will be a trend for many, many years to come. And you'll see why as we go through our review today. So it's called Latitude. It's available for $12.95, but you can actually get this at a discount, $3 off that. So I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. So these are NFTs. This product shows you how to create them, though that I would say that's a less important part of this. It shows you how to drive traffic to them, to flip them, to make money. Consider this like a piece of real estate that just will go up and up and up, and they're at various price points. And this is digital real estate, is a way to think about it. So if you want to get in on the digital real estate game early, get on the marketing side of it, I think you're wise. So let me tell you about how the product works and why you might want to do it. Okay, so this is a product by Jono Armstrong, a very accomplished marketer. Watch this video. He explains it very carefully and what you'll get in it. I won't bore you with that. The reason I'm doing this review is because I've got some bonuses here that will make this even better than what Jono's offering. And so you're going to want to deal with me. Okay, let's look at some of the bonuses. By the way, if you want to get this product called Latitude and all these bonuses I'm just about to talk about, there's a link in the description of this YouTube video. You just click it. It says bonus crate. There's numbers and that kind of thing. Just click it. You'll go through to this page you're looking at with me, and you can click any of these green and white buttons, and you'll be able to buy Latitude and these 6 bonuses I have for you. Bonus number 1 is a way to accelerate your Instagram traffic. Now, why is this part of Latitude? Latitude in itself is a complete product. You really don't need anything else. But what you do always need is traffic. So this will send even more traffic so you can get more sales. Really simple as that. And Instagram is a great source of those sales. So if you buy this for $12.95, get the discount $9.95. You can get this for free. This will help you not just with Latitude related NFT stuff, but other things. Bonus 2, bonus page builder tutorial. This shows you how to put together bonus pages, similar to the one I'm doing right here, where you can take any other products and add value to them, add bonuses to them, and make them even more valuable than the product is in itself, which helps you in a crowded marketplace be the one that people buy from, right? A lot of people sell, pick any product, but certain products, people sell many, there's many people selling them, but if you can be different, you can be the one that gets the majority of sales, even especially when prices equal, right? So that's a bonus tutorial. Email marketing tips for higher conversion. So you're going to get the 5 tips from Jono Armstrong that help you do email marketing well. One of the things about NFTs is you're going to be driving traffic. Not everybody will buy, but if you capture their email address, you can email to them further information. And so you want to do this really well because this is another asset for you, right? An NFT is an asset. An email list is an asset. It's digital real estate. So this will show you how to maximize that. It's included as part of your purchase here. Access Goodwill. This is a product where you just give it away, and in giving it away, it's valuable, so people want it. You get their email address in exchange, and there's a component built in that actually has them purchase something. So if you give it away to them, they get it, they like it, they want the extra version, well, then they'll pay money for it. So you'll get an email address, which is very valuable, digital real estate, and you will be able to market something else to them later on. And there's something they can buy in this that is valuable in itself. So if they like and trust you, they will buy something else. Okay, here's another bonus. The vendor has bonuses. So Jono, in this package, I'll show you in just a few minutes, there's some bonuses built into that. I'll let him explain those to you, but just know that these are valuable bonuses that you're going to just love, in addition to the ones you've already seen. And here's my extra bonus. I'm going to give you a website. Where else are you going to get a website? If you already have a website, I'll get you another one. If you don't have a website, we'll get you one. Why would you want that? Well, with this business that you're going to get into with NFTs, you will want to have another place people can go to where you can show them elements of NFTs. You can sell them other products. You can put your own blog up, your own vlog, your video log, whatever it wants. Here's a bonus for you, but you do have to get this within 72 hours of seeing this page, or this one doesn't count. Okay. And so how do you get all of this stuff we've talked about? The link in the description of this YouTube video. And let me show you how to get this. So once you make your purchases, I'm going to show you about some upsells that come with this. These are extra add-ons to that $12.95. But once you get your final receipt, the green button gets you Latitude, the product. The blue button gets you all these bonuses. Okay, so that's the receipt. It's all there. And so if you're wondering where to get it. So if you like what you're going to see about Latitude, just click the link in the description below and you will be able to purchase Latitude. Like I said, watch this video. Jono's going to explain, and actually this course is done by a 12-year-old who cracked this code, and he really knows what he's doing. The kid's doing amazing. But you can make $2,743 passively, and there's lots of income proof about people that have done this. You can get on the cutting edge of NFTs and really make the most of them. This explains a little bit about it. Take about 15 minutes a day to pull this off. What you need to do, whether you're creating NFTs, whether you're putting them up on a website, which is totally shown for you how to do by this 12-year-old, you can really cash in on, you'll call it the crypto market, in the sense that you'll be exchanging cryptocurrency. If you don't know anything about it, don't worry, it's all in the course. You don't have to know anything to pull this off and learn about it. You'll be in the upper 1% of people that know anything about NFTs after taking this course, which will give you a tremendous advantage. You know, they say knowledge is power. Well, knowledge is only power when it's applied. You'll get the knowledge here and everything you need to turn this into money. So here's what you get. $12.95. You get the front end of Latitude. You'll learn how the software works and get all the training modules. You can get a product bump. So you'll get into a VIP group that will discuss all of this. You'll get guidance and support with lots of different experts, including William, the creator of Latitude. That's $7.97, a one-time fee. Okay. Upsell number 1 is the pro version. So this is a hands-free way to cash in on this unique system. I'll let Jono explain it in the video above. But basically for $47 or the downsell of $37, you want to get the pro of this. So this will show you how to flip other people's NFTs for profit. So you don't have to create anything yourself. This will show you which ones are valuable and then flip them, and then you'll make the margin, right? It's called arbitrage. It's a really old system, of course. Upsell number 2, deluxe. This is advanced training. So you can actually create art collections, and these are more valuable in collections. So you can 10x your income, show you how to do all that, how you outsource the heavy lifting of it. Upsell 3 is the Elite Insiders Club. So this is where the richest NFT players share their up-to-the-minute strategies and shortcuts. If you want to be on the real cutting edge, $97 or $67 if you decline the first. By the way, all of these upsells, just decline the first offer you get. Just say no thanks, and it'll give you another chance at a cheaper price. It's a little hack here, okay? Upsell number 4, unlimited traffic. So basically, to get eyeballs to the NFTs, Jono Armstrong is going to take your pixel. Don't worry, they'll explain it in the course, but put it on his traffic. Now, he gets tens of thousands of people coming to his products. He's that well known and that famous and that out there. So for $197, or decline it for $97, getting traffic on one of Jono's sites is a tremendous bargain. So if you want the traffic, I say go for it. And upsell number 5 is reseller rights. So if you like what we're talking about here and you really want to be on the cutting edge, you can resell this whole system and get all these profits, all these price points you see here. They can be yours with the reseller rights. And it's not just this course, but 3 others. So Latitude, Gemini, JavaScript Commission Bot, which is a way to, it's a bot that gets followers for people on Twitter and on Instagram, which is very valuable. You can resell that. TweetX is Twitter related. You can resell that. All of these you can resell for only $47. So if you have any interest in making this a business of your own, this is a great value, right? So you'll be one of the few that'll jump on that. All right, so let's just look at this. So let's say we click through one of these buttons. We're going to go to the sales page. So again, to get to that page, you just click at the link in the bottom here. Oh, it's not even live yet. So you'll see this shortly. What I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to show you the back end of this so you can get an idea of what is in this. So here's the back end. So when you become a member, watch this video, the welcome. This overview is quite good. It's by Jono's business partner, Ashley. This explains the whole thing of what the NFTs are. You'll get a welcome from William, the creator, and then basically they take you through all the things you need to do. MetaMask, OpenSea. These are the 2 softwares that you're going to use in this. How to customize it, how to create a collection. If you got some of the upsells, some of these are going to be opened up for you that might not be in the basic. Ethereum, how to use the cryptocurrency, how to add an item, all of this. Here's your traffic sources, right? So all of this is included. You'll get this in the whole course. So just to, in summary, actually, let me get you back to that. Oh, here we go. So we will get you to see this page again. So here is how you purchase. Again, click the link below, go through to this page, check out Jono's video, click the green and white button. In so doing, if you like this, you're going to get the product for $12.95 minus $3. If you'll see the pop-up come up. Make sure you get it for the discount. Buy the upsells that are relevant to you, and you will be in business of NFTs, and most of your friends and family won't know what you're talking about, so you'll be on the cutting edge of this. I highly recommend Latitude. You can't go wrong. And there's a guarantee. There's a money-back guarantee for 30 days. If you're in any way disappointed, figure it's not for you. All right? All the best and good luck with Latitude.